Did you press the button?
Yeah. There's no light.
Look, 5 to 24. What time is it 5 yet?
No, 4:58.
2 minutes, we can wait.
Oh.
Uplink secured.
Welcome to the Anderson Expedition.
Nice.
High speed mode.
Nice. That makes a lot of sense because the other way has so many stairs.
What are we looking for is in Narita Airport, the KS.
KS.
Yeah, see that? KS?
Yeah. You found it. Good job.
You know what to do?
Try it. It's locked. We have to go back.
But
Gosh, they even put padlocks on the bottom. Jeez. Yeah, they're serious.
maybe.
Oh, here comes somebody. To be like a zombie.
It's fine, it's locked.
Oh.
We may have to go back.
Yeah.
I'm not crazy.
Yeah, they forgot about us. Let's get out of here before the zombies come. Oh, too late.
Yeah.
Oh, hell no.
Sir?